Hello videos. Today I was telling about how to use photo sticker inside Instagram stories. For that, I was going to Instagram account, and here I was typing on Instagram story. After typing Instagram story, here I was clicking on Instagram pictures. So here I was typing on this picture. So here I was clicking on avatars. After clicking avatars, here you have the option of cutouts. I was typing on cutouts, and here I was clicking another this sticker, and I was cutting this. I was taking this photo sticker, and I was using this sticker, and it was collecting. Wait a few seconds. It was loading. Now you can see like this. We can use Instagram stickers to Instagram photo stickers to Instagram stories, and I was putting a story. Thank you.